Want to install video surveillance but afraid of overpaying? Today we will look at 5 effective ways to save money from choosing equipment to installation. Let's get started. Determine where your surveillance cameras will be located. You need to understand what level of clarity you need in meters. That is, from how many meters away do you want your cameras to be able to clearly see faces and license plates? There are no bad cameras, only cameras that are unsuitable for your tasks. If you want to distinguish faces from 5 meters away, ISON Greco Pro analog cameras are sufficient. Or if you need 25 meters, then choose the ISON Alpha Pro X-Class system with 8 megapixels, Sony matrices, and 5x optical zoom. The quality of the video depends 99% on the matrix. The best matrices in terms of quality today are Sony matrices. And choose only original matrices, not copies or replicas. Don't take anyone's word for it. Ask to see recordings from specific cameras. A good online store will always include examples of recordings from these specific CCTV cameras in the camera descriptions. A ready-made kit saves you 30,000 rubles on installation. Everything is in the box: the camera, hard drive, wires with connectors. No soldering or formatting is required. For example, ISON Air Pro Max ready-made video surveillance kits. A completely ready-made kit, ready for installation and use. It is also very convenient because it is wireless. Which tip was the most useful? Plus subscribe button,